Hi loves, I'm Stephanie Itzel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over product empties. Oh my god, I have a whole bunch of stuff in here that I've been collecting for like ever. Let me just go ahead and just go through it and just kind of explain why I use these products, why I love them, and why I will buy them again or why I won't buy them again. So to start out with, I'm going to go over the Ultra Facial Cleanser by Kiehl. I use this stuff like, it's like my meal, but like for my skin. Like I have to cleanse my skin every day, so I have to use this. This has squalene in it. It has vitamin E. Like it's a really great cleanser. It removes all my makeup. It can get in your eyes. It's a really good makeup remover like for eyes. But the thing is like, it's really tricky when you remove eye makeup because you know, it can get in your eyes and it can hurt. So what I do is in the shower or when I'm washing my face, I take cleanser, I put it all over my face, even around my eyes, and I make sure my eyes are like really shut tight, and then I close them like really hard, but then I go in with my finger in between my eyelashes and it gets it all out, and then I rinse it out and then it's good. So that's one empty. The next one is the, oh my god, this is like really dusty, I'm sorry. This is the Stress Relief from Bath and Body Works. I love that one because that one smells really good. It has eucalyptus in it. This is like the old bottle. I mean, that's how long I've had it. This is like so gross when you look at it, but I recycle and like I keep a big bin, so that's why it's all dusty, so don't mind that. I will buy that again. The blender cleanser, I mean, I use beauty blenders every day, so I need that soap and it's pretty amazing. The Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, this is definitely a, like I can't leave the house without spraying my face with that because it's just amazing. It melts all my makeup into my skin, it sets it all, and it's great. This is the Olay Cleansing Fusion Hydrating Glow Body Wash in Deep Sea Kelp. I thought this stuff smelled really good, but I don't know, like I'll buy it again, but I usually take turns with Nivea and all of that, so yeah. The L'Oreal Paris Eversleek Sulfate Free Keratin Caring Shampoo. I really like this one. I like all of their they're just sulfate free because I get my hair done all the time, so I need that shampoo that's gonna do that, so that's a good one. The His Smiles Teeth Whitening Gels. So this comes with 3 like little refills, and they whiten your teeth. I love this stuff. I've been using it for a while now and I will buy it again. I actually get refills of this like every couple months when I run out. The Simple Cleansing Wipes. These are like the best cleansing wipes I've ever used. They're soft, they don't scrape your skin, they take all of your eye makeup off. You know, it does take a little bit to take it off, but it does a really good job of doing it. You know, I kind of just let them sit there like, and then it'll absorb all the mascara. The Living Proof Restore Shampoo, it was okay. I wanted to try a restorative shampoo because that's what my hairstylist told me to do. She said that I should just focus on restoration and hydrating your hair. So that's what I'm doing because I just got highlights. So I'm just slowly lightening it, and this is a shampoo I use. I liked it. I really think it's a good one. I would use it again. And then I have a couple primers. So I've always talked about this one, the Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer. I'll link a video up here, and that's where I talk about like my mascara and all of that. The Dior Primer is also really good. The Dior Maximizer 3D Triple Volume Plumping Lash Primer. This is really great. I love the wand on this. It's amazing. And then the Anantacia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in Soft Brown. This is what I do my eyebrows with. I think it's amazing. I would buy it again for sure. And then last but not least, One of my most favorite products ever. I love, oh, how this stuff smells. This is the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. I will go through this. I mean, I use a lot. I probably get these once a month, but these are great because they just help hydration in your hair. They help restore your hair. It's great. I love it. Those are all my product empties that I've been collecting for the past couple months. I really hope you enjoyed this. I mean, it was kind of boring, my bad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm working on a couple other videos. I think I'm gonna do a Spanish one, get ready with me. So if you wanna see me talking Spanish and get ready, you know, I'll be doing that like this week sometime, and then I'll be doing another get ready with me in English. I'll do 2 different looks on different days, just depending on like something I have going on, an event or a party or, you know, a date or something. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of the content. If you want to see another review or something, any suggestions would be great. I'm still kind of new to this, so let me know how I'm doing. Thank you and have a beautiful day.